all this time you've spent on Earth, have you ever connected with a human? I'm talking about an emotional connection.
It's really you.
This is your father's doing. Chloe is his doing. He put her in your path.
None of it was real.
I thought what we had was real.
I can let my guard down with you. I don't do that with anyone else.
You keep talking about a detective. Seem like somebody pretty important.
More than you could ever know.
He really does care about her, doesn't he?
Seems like you genuinely care about her.
What Lucifer and I have is special.
Incredible.
I will never lose faith in me and him.
We were quite a team once upon a time.
If you choose to be vulnerable around me, you make me vulnerable. Then I choose to be vulnerable around you. Is that why you haven't split? I love you.
Because you make me vulnerable too.
And that, despite everything, you just want to be with them. Freaking soulmates.